Good morning, students. In lesson number 6, computer keyboard, we have already discussed that keyboard is an important input device used for typing purpose. And children, keyboard has a various keys and they are divided into three categories: alphabet keys, number keys, and some special keys. And I already told you about the alphabet keys, that there are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard, A to Z. When we press A comes on a screen. When we press B comes on a screen. So children, this way we can type the alphabets, words and sentences. Now today we will discuss about first number keys. As the name is, children, these keys are marked with numbers 0 to 9 and there are total 10 keys on a keyboard, and we use number keys to type the numbers. With the help of number keys we can type roll number, we can type age, we can type phone number, we can write mathematical equation. Now see, on a keyboard there are two places where number keys are available. Now see, number keys are present just above the alphabet keys and these keys are in order. Children, नंबर कीज जो है अल्फ़ाबेट कीज के ऊपर है और ये सब ऑर्डर में है 1 to 9 and last is 0. Now to write the numbers like 2 and 12 we have to press 2, 1 or again 2 that are used in keyboard. Now see, number keys are also available on the right side of the keyboard and this rectangular area known as a numeric keypad. इसको हम numeric keypad कहते हैं children, और इस पे number keys हैं and we can use to do some numeric calculations. Now we have to discuss some special keys. First we will discuss about spacebar key. Children, as you can see in the keyboard picture, this key is located at the last row of the keyboard and it is not marked with anything, and it is the longest key on a keyboard. And what is the use of it? We use this key to give space between the text. Now see children, there are two examples. In one example the wrong method is used and in another example the correct method is used. Children, as you can see, first method, that is the wrong. We very well know that in English when we write the words by giving space. This is a wrong method, है ना? There is no space. So to write in a correct way we have to give space between each word, and for this purpose which key we will use? We will use spacebar key. Like suppose first we will write I, after that we will not press L. First we will press spacebar key and then we will press L, I, K, E, and like that we will use spacebar keys and also we will use alphabet keys. Now children, next special key is a enter key. As you can see in this picture, there are two enter keys available on a keyboard and we can use according to our choice. ये हमारी इच्छा पे कि हम कौन सी वाली enter key को use करते हैं. Okay. Now what is the use of the enter key? Children, enter key used to take the cursor to the next line. Now see the example. Suppose we have to write these three lines on a computer. Like first line is written, keyboard is an input device. Now after that we want to write in the next lines. Then what we will do? That time we have to press the enter key. Enter key press करने से cursor जो है next line में आएगा and then we can type the next sentence, that is keyboard has keys. And again after that we want to write the third sentence in the next line, then we have to press the enter key. Children, so enter key is used to take the cursor to the next line. Next key is a backspace key. Children, backspace key is used to erase the letters. When we are typing on a computer and sometimes we want to erase some text or letters, we will use backspace key and delete key. Children, there are two keys we used, and in that backspace key used to delete the characters from the left side of the cursor. You see on the picture that backspace key is just near the number keys. Now how the backspace key works? Children, when we are typing, we will find out that there is a vertical line that moves to the right side, that is known as a cursor. जब हम टाइपिंग करते हैं तो एक वर्टिकल लाइन जो है वो राइट साइड में हमको दिखती रहती है चिल्ड्रन, दैट शोज़ कि हम जो टाइप कर रहे हैं वो वहाँ पे टाइप होगा, है ना. सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड कर्सर. अब नाउ सी द एग्जाम्पल्स. लाइक in second example, I like mango and mango is blue in color. Children, this sentence is wrong because mango is not a blue in color, it is a orange. So what we have to do, we have to erase the blue word. हमें blue word को erase करना है. तो ये cursor की किस side में है? It is in the left side. So we will use backspace key to delete from the left side, and after that we can type the word orange. So now the sentence will be correct, like I like mango and mango is in orange in color. So this is the use of backspace key. So children, our topics are over today, and please revise these topics carefully. Thank you.